Shoot! Shoot!
All right, welcome everyone to League League Season 46 Championship here at Unidale Middle School. In front of us is top seed number 1, Cheese Girls in purple against number 2 seed Boy Bao. It's 5-0. Early in the ball game, go down goes the Cheese Girls. That's Oliver. Cross-court pass to Jose, who just sunk a three-pointer. Back to Oli down the middle. Is it? Starters for Boy Bao, Jesse. We have Eric Bustamante Vince. Genesis. There's a three-pointer by Vince. And Butch Seki for Boy Bao. Starters for Cheese Girls, who just committed a turnover. Fast break opportunity all the way is Butch, misses on a layup. Cheese Girls, that's Jose with the ball. Running with him is the big guy Justin, on the wing Oliver. Oliver dribbles, cross-court pass to Jose. Way out. Ron McConley as well in the starting lineup today. And Conrad. Conrad fakes, dribbles, loses the ball. We're pushing it on the other way. Bounce pass, Butch, Vince, 2 points. Our referees today is Ref Eric Fong and Edgar Packman. Misses. And everyone's begging for a call. But Ref Eric says, Cheese Girls. Ron open from outside. A little offline. Loose ball tracked down by Justin. Loose pass. Turnover. Boy Bao pushing it once more. Vince slows down. Picks up his dribble. Waits for Genesis. To Vince. Ball rotating. Puts in the baseline. Reverse no good. Loose ball picked up, rebound by Justin. We're going the other way. Here comes Jose. Down the middle. Goes all the way. No good. Jesse clears the way. We have mandatory substitution at the 14-minute mark. 10-minute mark. Yeah, thank you, John Aaron. I'm getting old. Talking on old. Genesis misses on that open look. Jose does not hesitate and pushes the pace. Cross court to Ollie. Ollie wide open, no good. Rebound, Jen. I think they call him G. Eric harassed by Ron. Jesse's there, cutting in the paint, and it goes in. That's a mismatch against Justin all day for Boy Bawang. Jesse standing at 6'3", playing as part-time this season. They also have a big guy on the bench. We're gonna see him soon. All right. Cross court, leaking is Vince. Three-pointer, no good. 8-7, 1-point lead for the Purple Men. That is a turnover. Glad the whistle was blown. Butch walks up court. Get the screen from Geek. He goes all the way. Layup, no good. Jose clears the board. He's pushing it once more. Ron is asking for the pass. No good pass to Conrad. He's 58 years old and misses. All right, here we go, Eric. Eric zigzagging his way. Now he's being covered by Jose to Geek. Jesse, why are you up there? All right, looking around, picks up his dribble, back to Geek. Eric, ball fake. Butch tries in the middle, gets in the paint again. This time a whistle. Foul number 8. That's Ollie. First shot is good. I did mention this is season 47. Happy to reflecting with you guys, with the founder with me. We both started this back in 2007 at Mathematics. Now we are here at Edendale. Boy Bawang gets another possession. Eric. The Butch sets up. Jesse now has a three-pointer. He tries it and misses. Loose ball picked up by Boy Bawang again. Jumper by Eric, no good. Ball tap. Shovel pass to Eric down the paint. A lot of contact, no whistle. Loose ball. Saved by Cheese. Was not to happen, and we're going the other way. Frenetic pace. And that possession, it's an 8-8 ball game. Ron Maghanoy gets around Vince. His pass to Justin off of Jesse's foot. Ron to Jose. Jose runs away from this. Jumper is no good. Jesse comes up with a defensive board. Eric calls out a play. Cross court to Butch. Butch gets a lane again. Strip of the ball. 3 on against 1. Pass on Ollie and the foul, Vince. Ten to 8. Free throw no good. 2-point lead for Cheese. Escudero. Boy Bawang fumbled that entry pass on Jesse. Conrad tries to make it clear and does. 12-8. Our mandatory sub is coming up. All right, sub. All right, from Boy Bawang, we have the other Abrigano brother, the good-looking one, Aris, Don, PJ, and Dex. For Cheese, we have Dinko Slave, Merrick Lim, Mr. Mercado, Arman, and of course, Jeff. All right, here we go. Live action. 4-point lead for Cheese. Two big guys on the floor for Boy Bawang. Aris, teardrop, no good. Jose, controlling the board for the purple men. Jeff, Merrick, Jose, pulls it back in, decides to pass to Jeff. Having his arm on, Nico picks up the loose ball. Jose, Merrick to Jeff. What a timely offensive board. This time, secured by Boy Bawang. 9 minutes in the first half. Dex. Entry pass to Jesse. Fight no good. Jose another rebound. Outlets to Jeff, to Merrick. Merrick slows down, picks up his dribble. He finds Dico. Dico fumbles it, controls the ball. Finds Jeff. Jeff jumper. No good. Loose ball and saved by Jeff. To Dico, to Merrick, to Jose. Jose down the paint. Pass off of a knee of Jesse. Cheese Girls keeps the ball. Jose inbounds, looking for someone, finds Jeff. Jeff Sapa.
Shoot.
That jumper is offline. Jose, jumper, too strong. Jeff is there, still misses. And last touch, we're going the other way. Ref Edgar Bakker whistles yellow ball. Don Bass goes to Aris. Aris gets a screen from PJ. Baseline is gone. Misses, but Dex is there. He's passed to Jesse, too low for him. And Dex gets a setup from Aris. No good. What a play. Jose with another board. Shot a pass to Jesse. Nice to see a big guy running down court. Gets rewarded. Right place, right time. And we have a loose ball foul. Loose ball foul on Arman, number gold. Foul on gold. That's PJ. Merrick. The Jeff. Jeff about it. He finds Arman. Hey. Boy Bawang stuck at 8 for the last 4 minutes. Don is open, finally breaks the spell, cuts the lead down to 4.
Shoot.
Boy Bawang. Almost a turnover. It is a turnover. Jeez. Anticipated that back. And a body bump. Courtesy of PJ. Timeout, purple. People quick for Jeff. One out of two, but Cheese with an offensive board courtesy of Armand. Jeff tries to shake PJ, decides to pass the Rod. Two card setup for Cheese Girls. Straight from Pico, open is Rod. 3-pointers, good. 18-10. Aris picked up his dribble, looking for an outlet. He finds Jesse. Back to PJ. PJ tracks it down. Cross court, and that's a turnover. Saved by Ron. Ron dances his way down the paint, out of balance, and the ball is picked up by Pawang. Aris, cross court to Dexter. Jesse's wide open, that's an out of contact, no whistle. Loose ball. All right, substitution. Jesse gets subbed out. No. Pushes the ball, they got numbers. That's a basket from Mr. Bustamante. It's pretty huge. That's a typical power forward with a nice drive. Cheese to Digo. Digo hesitates, picks up his dribble, finds Merrick. Merrick to Armand. Still no good. I think there's an extra step there, but it's play ball. Ron, sling pass, that's a turnover to Aris. Aris, if he rushes, they have numbers. Teardrop too strong. Don is there for a putback. 18-14. Ever so slowly, Boy Bawang is creeping up. Merrick to Ron. Armand becomes the outlet back to Ron. Ron. To Jeff. Jeff. Cross court. Merrick picks his dribble back to Ron. He's open head fake. Takes the baseline drive to a drop. Dushko. Rebound. Bauer. A chance to cut the lead even further. Dexter looks around, waits for his teammates. Takes the middle, and we have a foul on Jeff Sabal. If you want time out, tell the referee, guys. Time out, yellow.